If you're planning to start a business in Georgia, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Georgia even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. An LLC protects your personal assets from business debts and lawsuits. It also offers flexible tax options, including pass-through taxation or a corporate election. Plus, it's simple to manage and easy to scale, making it perfect for entrepreneurs and growing business. Now, the next thing is we need to choose a name for your Georgia LLC. Now, you need to understand that your LLC name must be unique in Georgia, including limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. Now, to check the availability, you need to go to the Georgia Secretary of State Business Search, type in your desired business name. Now, if no matching results appear, the name is available and good to go. It's also smart to check a few name options just in case your first option is taken. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Now, a registered agent is required for every Georgia LLC. They should have a physical address in Georgia, must be available during normal business hours because they receive the legal and state documents on behalf of your LLC. Now, if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do that provided that you meet all the legal state requirements. Or if you want, you can have a trusted individual or a registered agent service like LegalZoom. More of that later in this video. Now, the official step that creates your LLC is by preparing and filing the articles of organization. Now, you have two options. You can do it by mail or by going to the website of Georgia Secretary of State. Now, all I have to do is provide the LLC name, registered agent name and address, your name and email address. There is going to be a filing fee of $100, which takes around usually 7 to 10 business days online. Now, once approved, your LLC is officially formed. Now, another crucial step is to register your LLC with the Georgia Department of Revenue. Because if you do this, it ensures your LLC is legally allowed to collect and pay state taxes. Now, all you have to do is very simple. You can simply go to the Georgia Tax Center or GTC online portal. After that, all I have to do is provide all the business details like location, Federal Employer Identification Number or EIN, NAICS code, and owner information. Now, this registration covers various state tax requirements, including sales tax, withholding tax, and other state-specific levels. It is necessary and imperative to understand ongoing compliance in Georgia. Now, to keep your LLC in good standing, you can simply go to the Georgia Secretary of State to file your annual registration by April 1st each year and pay the $60 fee on time to avoid penalties. Now, make sure your registered agent information is always up to date and keep all required local licenses and permits current, since rules can vary by city and county. Now, these are some of the things that you need to know, and later on we will compare 3 different ways to file your LLC and help you decide which option benefits you the most. You see, Traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Georgia. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. You will be forwarded to a new page, and from here, just enter the business name that you desire. If you want to skip that, you can do so by clicking the next button. Now, from here, you just have to select your state, and that's going to be Georgia, and then click the next button. If you wanted to provide your business email address and phone number, you can do so. Now, you need to select the industry that is related to the LLC that you are creating. In our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. You can always use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. And then from here, you see that there are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's exactly how you can register an LLC in Georgia, which is one of the more affordable and business-friendly states to start an LLC, with a straightforward online filing process and relatively low annual fees. Now, if you're comfortable handling paperwork on your own, you can do so by filing directly through the Georgia Secretary of State, which is also a great option. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.